In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who viewed your Snapchat story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat app and then tap right here at your profile picture at the top left corner. After that, scroll down a bit until you find My Stories, then tap somewhere here to expand it. As you can see, 4 minutes ago I've posted a story, and first off we need to tap at the story to open it up. That's actually my camera. And then at the bottom left corner we can easily find these two indicators or buttons. The first shows us the total number of viewers of our story, and the second one shows the number of users who has screenshotted our story. So guys, to see who viewed our story, we need to tap at first, and then down below here under My Friends or under it may be called viewers list or something like that. Right over here you will see all the single user who has viewed your story. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.